Hello everyone, today I'm going to introduce you our latest 4 channels NB-IoT data logger, VWdot4. Before we start, here's the outline for this video. Spec, Feature. If you'd like to learn more about VWdot, please refer to our previous video, VWdot Unboxing. VWdot4 has the same design as VWdot, but with additional 3 channels and 2 more battery holders. Let's open it and check out all the parts shown in this image. You'll see one 4 channels VWdot, one 16GB SD card, one license card with a 1-year complimentary service for DOT, one NB-IoT antenna. If you're interested in this product, please visit www.sanlien.com for more information. Please feel free to contact us at any time. Sanlien Technology, be the frontier of environmental monitoring.